If you own a diesel, you know that the glow plug system is the heartbeat of your cold starts, specifically if you are driving something like a VW Audi or a domestic diesel truck. If you are staring at a check engine light and the code P06CC, you are dealing with a cylinder 8 glow plug incorrect issue. This code specifically points to a resistance problem in the glow plug circuit for cylinder number 8. Unlike gas engines that use spark plugs to ignite the fuel, your diesel relies on high compression and heat. When the engine is cold, the glow plug heats up the cylinder to ensure combustion happens instantly. When this part fails or the circuit acts up, you are going to notice hard starting, white or black smoke from the tailpipe, and a generally grumpy engine until it warms up. Ignoring this isn't a great idea because a misfiring diesel can clog up your diesel particulate filter, leading to much more expensive repairs down the road. The severity here is high because it directly affects how your engine runs. So, how do we tackle this? First, you need to be absolutely sure you have identified cylinder number 8 correctly. Check your owner's manual for the cylinder layout so you don't waste time testing the wrong part. Visually inspect the connector on top of the glow plug. These connectors live in a hot, vibrating environment and can easily crack or work loose. If the connection looks solid, it is time to grab your digital multimeter. You want to measure the resistance of the glow plug itself. Compare your reading to the specs for your specific engine. If the resistance is infinite or way out of spec, the internal element is burnt out. A classic mechanic's trick, if you have the plug out, is to carefully apply battery voltage to the plug using jumper wires. A good plug will glow bright red almost instantly. If it stays dark, it is dead. However, if the plug tests fine, the problem is likely upstream in the wiring or the glow plug control module. Check for voltage at the connector when the key is first turned on. If you are not getting power there, you need to trace that wire back to the relay or controller and check your fuses. Usually, a simple swap of the glow plug clears this code and gets your diesel firing up smoothly again on those cold mornings.